Welcome to myUHN Portal Tips. Today I will show you how to pay a hospital bill using a myUHN patient portal account. There are two ways you can pay a bill in myUHN patient portal. In this video I will show you how to pay a bill if you have a myUHN account. If you would like to know how to pay a bill if you do not have a myUHN account, you can watch our video, How to Pay a Bill Without a myUHN Patient Portal Account. Start by opening your browser and going to www.myuhn.ca. Or you can open the MyChart app on your cell phone or tablet. Sign into your myUHN account. This is the main page of your myUHN account. If you have an outstanding bill, you will see it in your notifications. Here you can choose to make a payment or view your billing details. If you do not see it in your notifications, go to the top of the page on the left and look for the menu button. It is a button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it. Scroll all the way down until you see the heading, Billing. Then click on Billing. This is your billing summary. It will show you if you have a remaining balance on your account. If you would like to learn how to view more information about your bills, you can watch our video, How to View Your Billing Details on myUHN. If you would like to make a payment, click on the button, Make a Payment, on the billing summary page. On the next page you will have the option to pay off your remaining balance in full, or to make a partial payment in a different amount. You will also have the option to choose your payment method. If you have a payment method already saved on your account, it will be shown here. If you do not have a payment method saved to your account, you will have the option to add one. Once you have chosen your payment amount and method of payment, go to the bottom of the page and click on the Pay button. Once the payment has gone through, you will see a short summary of your payment. If you would like to see a detailed summary of your payment, you will see a button near the top of the web page called View Your Receipt. Click on it. This will show you an official receipt. You will have the option to save or print it. When you are done, go to the bottom of the web page and click on Go to Billing Summary to confirm your payment. This is where you can see detailed billing information, including any unpaid bills. Now you know how to pay a hospital bill using a myUHN patient portal account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact myUHN support at 416-340-3777 or myUHN@uhn.ca.